It's given my silk press got caught in the rain, but I still look good. Yeah. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by RPGHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because listen, your girl gotta get it together. I was eating and sipping and sipping and sipping and sipping. So I need to get myself back together. Okay, yeah. But anyway, do y'all see this hairline? Listen, the deals and the looks are right here. None of my natural hair is out. This is all the wig. So if you want to see how I got this 3C hairline together on this wig real quick, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a 360 Invisi-Strap lace wig with a 3C hybrid hairline. And because it's a 360, the hairline is all the way around the wig. I'm excited about this. What I'm not excited about is that smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray mine down with a little bit of water and some wig perfume. Now, for you, wash your wig. This is a body wave texture, so I do expect these curls to drop a little bit. Let me just spray it down with some water real quick so y'all can see how it bounces back. That's more than a little bit, but that's all right. Take my paddle brush. Ooh, look at the bounce back. When you submerge this hair in water, it'll be a lot heavier, but the wave should come back. As always, the natural curl of these wigs are best out the pack. Once you add water to it and heat, it starts to change the curl pattern, but you should not completely lose the wave of this unit. It's also best to let body wave units like this air dry. Let me use my hair perfume. Let me not get it in my water. It comes with the Invisi-Strap. So I want to be real careful so I don't cut that off. Right here on this seam is most likely where that ear tab is. So I'm gonna cut right there first, closest to the back. And then I'm just gonna follow the hairline around. Follow that hairline around. Make sure I don't cut into the hairline. Make sure I don't cut the Invisi-Strap off. Bring this up. Like so. To tint my lace, I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. All around my hairline. I'm pretty sure this cap comes in small, medium, and large. Even though my head is big every day, okay, 23 gang gang. Most brands send me the standard cap, which is the medium. But if I'm wrong, if they sent me the large cap, then you know, obviously I'll put that in my description box down below. It does have the Piano Keys elastic band in the wig. I'm gonna put mine on the 4th hook around the dome. The band is pretty comfortable. That's good. I can move this back. Hold up, here we go. Bring it down, bring it down. There is a comb back there, but the comb sits up pretty high, so I can't just hook it under my wig cap. So I will need to use some bobby pins. This is fitting pretty much perfect on my head, so I don't really need to tighten my Invisi-Strap. Let me put my glasses on. Why am I trying to do this in the dark? Pull it, tighten it down, get my hair up. I'm gonna secure this to the strap in the back. Pull that down. Put the bobby pin right here and attach it to the band in the back. Bring that hair down so I can blend it. That's me. That's the wig. Let's get this hairline together because she a little crazy looking right now. We gonna fix it. First, let me cut off my lace. And like that. I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline to mold these hairs in place. I don't want to pluck anything out, so I'm hoping that this comes out how it needs to based on what they've already done to this wig. Got a comb. They did send me a brush. Okay. Put your glasses back on, child. Brush back what I don't need. Brush down what I do. It gives that natural look at the root without it being too, you know, like slick or straight. So it looks like it's your hair. I like it. Use a little mousse in the back. Woo! I'm gonna wrap it down. Wrap it down, wrap it down. And now I can style my hair really quick. Brush it out, brush it out. Let me scooch up a bit. Brush it up into the ponytail in the front. Spray some water right here, get my part together. Close that part up. Tie this around. Just adding a little curl. They're not uniform because I want it to still look kind of like I just rolled out of bed and put my hair up. Very effortless, okay? All right, let's unwrap it. Unwrap, unwrap, unwrap. Fitting pretty nicely. Let me get my Eco-Styler gel. Where's, I can't see. I'm struggling, golly. Gel right here. None of my edges are out. This is all the wig right here. Fix this part. Let's see. All right, now let's brush this back. Get these little hairs going. Ooh, this hybrid hairline is amazing. This is nice. I got a little extra lace over there I need to take off. Let's see. A little gel over here. A little more gel over here. I need to kind of have some shape. I didn't put no spray up here, but it's stuck right there. Let me use my contour and I'm going to tint around my lace. I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color 𝐿𝐥𝐿𝐢𝐚𝐥. I'm just adding a little bit of contour to the sides of my lace over here, just to blend that in, because the light is catching it, so it's causing it to be ashy. But my glasses is hiding most of it, so I don't gotta go all the way up to the top. I can use my foundation brush for that. Because I don't know if that is actual lace that I need, I'm gonna bring down a little bit of hair to kind of hide that. The hair is curling pretty nicely, so that's always a plus. Excess foundation around the lace. And do a little teasing. They did send me a comb, but I'm just gonna use the one I already have out. Tease that up a bit, lay it over, tease it up a bit, lay it over. Now she's still glueless, as you can see, but to ensure mine is not gonna shift back, I'm using my Ultimate Hold Lace Spray right here in the middle. Not all the way around, because she don't need it all the way around. And I think we are finished. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do y'all see this? I need all my wigs to have this hairline because this is amazing. Like, it looks very natural. It's not just a sleek root. It's a very natural root into this texture of hair. It's given my silk press got caught in the rain, but I still look good. Yes. I'm glad that I did the ponytail. I was about to wear it just out, but I felt like the hairline needed to shine. Wearing it out, it looks thick. But once I did my half up, half down, my ponytail is a little sparse. But I'm not complaining about it, okay? I can easily add a track in this wig if I want to, but y'all know I ain't doing that. This is how the back is looking. The back is still bobby pinned down, so if I want to pin it up, I can definitely do that. This is real cute. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't put my daggone thing up. Hold up. Still glueless over here, and it's fitting down perfectly. Now, I know it's Black Friday and the deals are here. So my specs for my wig and the coupon is $219. If she got to stay on the wish list for a little bit, that's okay. This one does come in different lengths though. Hold up, let me find it. The 14-inch is $189 and the 180 extra heavy density. Mine is the extra heavy density, and the 150 density for the 14-inch is $169. Now, me personally would get this wig because of the hairline. I can make the bundles work. So, you know, get in where your pockets fit in, or call that man. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to RPGHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.